Hey everyone, and welcome back to Simply AI Explained, the channel where we make the world of artificial intelligence simple, fun, and easy to understand. I'm AI Amy, and today's topic is something that sounds straight out of a sci-fi movie: how to build an AI avatar of yourself, step by step. Imagine having a digital twin that can talk, present videos, or even attend meetings for you. Yep, that's possible today. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create one, even if you have zero tech experience. So, grab a drink, sit back, and let's get started. First off, why would you want an AI avatar of yourself? Well, it can save you time. You can use it to record educational videos, sales presentations, or social media content without actually filming every single time. Businesses use avatars for customer support, training videos, and marketing. Content creators use them to scale up production. Even regular folks are using avatars for fun, like sending birthday greetings or creating personal AI companions. In short, an AI avatar is like having a digital version of yourself that never gets tired and is always camera ready. Step 1 is choosing the right tool or platform to build your avatar. There are several popular options available today. HeyGen, formerly Movio, known for its ease of use and realistic avatars. You can create talking head videos just by typing text. Synthesia, great for professional quality avatars. Big companies use this one for corporate training and marketing. DID, this focuses on turning photos into talking avatars. It's perfect if you want a simple avatar without filming yourself. Hour 1, this one allows you to create a high-quality avatar by recording yourself reading a script. Then it generates a digital presenter version of you. Each tool has different features and price points. HeyGen, for example, offers more customization for facial expressions and gestures, while Synthesia focuses on polished, corporate-style output. Next, you need to decide how you want to build your avatar. Photo-based avatar. You upload a high-quality photo, and the AI animates it to talk. This is faster and simpler. Video-based avatar. You record yourself reading a special script, and the AI learns your facial movements, voice, and expressions. This takes more effort but results in a more realistic avatar that truly looks and sounds like you. If you're just starting, I recommend beginning with a photo-based avatar to get comfortable. Later, you can upgrade to a full video-based clone. Before you start, gather your materials: a clear, well-lit headshot or a short video recording of yourself, a quiet environment if you're recording audio, a good microphone if the platform allows custom voice cloning, a short introduction script, something like, "Hi, I'm your name, and this is my AI avatar." Good lighting is super important. Even the best AI can't fix a blurry or shadowy photo. Once your materials are ready, upload them to your chosen platform. If you're using a photo-based method, you'll usually just upload the image and type your script. The AI will generate a video of your avatar speaking those words. If you're using a video-based system, you'll need to record a short scripted video, usually about 5 to 10 minutes. The AI analyzes this to create a highly realistic model. Some platforms also let you clone your voice. For example, HeyGen and Synthesia can add pre-made voice options, or you can record your own for an extra fee. This step might take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the platform. Now for the fun part: customization. You can adjust things like clothing style or background. Some platforms have virtual wardrobes and scene options. Gestures and facial expressions. Eye contact and speaking speed. If your tool supports it, you can even upload brand colors or logos to make your avatar videos look super professional. Once your avatar is ready, start creating content. Just write your text scripts, similar to how you'd write a YouTube script or presentation notes, and paste them into the platform. The AI avatar will then speak your words as if you're on camera. This is a huge time saver if you're a content creator, educator, or business owner. Imagine filming a week's worth of videos in a single afternoon without having to set up cameras or lights. After generating your video, Always review it carefully. Check for mispronunciations or awkward phrasing, visual glitches, lip sync accuracy. Most platforms let you tweak the text or regenerate sections if needed. Remember, while AI avatars are powerful, they're not 100% perfect yet. It's always good to keep an eye out for small errors. Finally, once you're happy with the result, it's time to export your video. This is like saving your finished masterpiece. Most avatar platforms let you download your video in different resolutions, such as 720p, 1080p, or even 4K if you want super sharp quality. You can also choose different file formats, like MP4 or MOV, depending on where you plan to use it. Once downloaded, you can share your video almost anywhere. Upload it to YouTube to reach a global audience, post it on Instagram or TikTok to engage your followers, or embed it on your website to introduce yourself to visitors. You can even send it directly to clients, students, or team members in emails or messaging apps, making it a flexible and powerful communication tool. On top of that, some platforms allow you to connect directly with editing software, like Adobe Premiere Pro or Final Cut Pro. This means you can skip manual downloading and importing. Your avatar video flows straight into your editing timeline. There, you can easily add subtitles, background music, animations, transitions, or your brand logo, giving your final product a polished and professional touch. In short, exporting is your chance to transform your AI avatar from a simple talking head into a fully produced, ready-to-share video that represents your style and message perfectly. Let's look at some real-world examples to inspire you. Educators. Teachers are using avatars to create engaging lessons and multilingual content for students. Coaches. Business coaches make personalized training videos without repeating themselves. YouTubers. Some creators have fully replaced on-camera appearances with avatars, saving time and overcoming camera shyness. Businesses. Customer service avatars are now answering FAQs and explaining products on websites 24/7. The possibilities are endless. AI avatars are no longer a futuristic dream. They're here right now, and they're surprisingly easy to make. Whether you're a teacher, marketer, content creator, or just someone curious about AI, building your own avatar is a great way to explore this technology and unlock new creative opportunities. As AI keeps advancing, we'll see avatars become even more lifelike, expressive, and accessible to everyone.
Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this step-by-step guide and want to learn more about AI tools and tech trends, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an upload. What would you use your AI avatar for? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing your creative ideas. Until next time, this is AI Amy to keep creating and stay curious. See you in the next video.